Wow, Sinatra.
Hello, sir.
Crocodile sausage.
What are you now doing?
Welcome to Neutral Vibes. So we'll just be taking a walk. And we are gonna Canada national dish today. Me and Maria. She's preparing poutine for me. It's my very first time going to try Canada's national dish. This is actually poutine. So I'll be tasting this meal right now. So this is actually fries and gravy.
Yeah, this is, yeah.
Along with
Do
cheese.
you want anything from here?
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, bye.
You know? So we have green onion, tomatoes, curd cheese, along with fries and gravy. My. Canada's national dish. Just as how ackee and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish.
You like it?
It's good.
Good. We can make our own when we come to Jamaica. I'll bring the cheese. Because I don't know where we'll find it in Jamaica.
You can make curry chicken poutine.
Or jerk.
Or jerk chicken poutine.
Yeah, jerk chicken. I know.
This is good.
A mixture. I like Jamaican food. I like certain things. But I also like stuff from here.
I don't know what this is, but I'm getting something nice. What's it? Oh, Polish rogue?
Oh, that's good.
Huh? No, this is
It's on
damn
the
good.
healthy side of food. So the
It's like jerk
base is
chicken.
so the base is like brown rice or quinoa.
It's like a jerk chicken, but it damn good. Very nice.
So
We're here in Oshawa.
Oshawa Farmers Market.
Oshawa Farmers Market. And we'll be showing you what this market has to offer today.
Here, you want to go across?
Here.
Here.
Okay. Yeah, I tried the kangaroo the last time, you know. Yeah, it's good.
Unfortunately, the exotic meats we can't sample. I can get your taster pretty much anything else.
Okay.
Let me get your taster of one of our best sellers though.
What's that?
Our Mennonite beef summer sausage.
Okay.
Are we good with meat?
So what's the exotic meats that you have here? Just the kangaroo and
Kangaroo, boar, buffalo, venison, and elk.
I tried the buffalo as well.
Oh, really?
Venison is our highest eating.
Yeah. Venison is the same as deer, right?
Sorry?
Deer? It's
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Venison is,
Thanks.
yeah.
This is what the OG Italians put on their pizza.
Oh.
You like it, Maria?
I like venison. Thank you very much.
Thanks much. You like it? You normally complain about salt. It's not salty.
That's the only thing with dry meat is I've been looking for something that's not so salty.
Okay.
This is salty.
Okay.
But the fact that it lasts so long,
Right.
you can just do a small piece with cheese and some fruits. And it's
Right.
If you like stuff that's not too salty though, we have a good Jersey salami. Peppercorn cuts off the saltiness of it.
Okay.
The one bad thing is I can't sample it right now. Now you changed mine.
How about the bison?
No sample. No sample of anything.
Of anything.
Oh
I
my.
see.
Oh.
Open doubles because the pack is like this. The back and seal pockets, right?
Oh.
Hello, sir.
Crocodile sausage.
What are you now 2 minutes?
Farmers market.
So,
Oh, so these are peaches
peaches from Niagara.
from Niagara. Okay. Hello.
They're beautiful peaches.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Do you bake?
Okay. Okay.
There we go. Thank you so much. You have a great week.
These are apricots.
So what's the difference between?
Taste, texture.
Okay.
The apricots are 16.
Trying apricots for the first time.
And these are plums. Right?
For this size, you would
Nice.
10 and 7.
And these are the cherries.
Oh, bread. Hello.
You don't have muffins, right?
Yeah,
Why
we're
do you
just-
guys get muffins?
We don't make them anymore. We just do peanut and butter tarts. I know they are good.
Those are so good. It's like a pumpkin spice.
So you bake all of these?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Basically, I have everything.
Yeah.
Huh?
Like those. Hello.
Okay.
It's like you can use it for put it in your shade.
Okay.
It's good. It's like heart healthy.
Okay. So what made these lotions different from any other lotions?
It's
It's the hemp.
the seed.
Uh-huh.
It's like a vegan version of fish oil.
Okay.
Omega is 369, vitamin E.
I know hemp.
Okay.
Helps open up your pores.
Okay.
Stop soap.
Okay, okay.
I use.
Really? That's nice. That's nice, man.
What's this one? Citrus.
Smells nice.
It uses the hemp oil with your sweet almond oil,
Okay.
avocado oil. Yes.
In Jamaica, we call them rock bun. I'm wondering if it tastes the same.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Right now, you know?
Yeah, absolutely, sure.
Okay, so you bake all of these?
My wife, yeah.
He's
I
not
help
a
her. I help her when I'm not here, but
Okay, okay. These are. Oh, Maria, here's this zucchini bread.
Oh yeah, yeah,
That's the same one that you plant at home?
yeah. Yes.
Okay, okay.
We have a big banana bread that we have to finish up. Baby.
Okay. Alright. Scones. Very good.
These are different types of. It's a seasoning, not a seasoning.
They are
It's like a
cooking
dip.
sauces.
A cooking sauce.
Cooking sauces, so you cook your chicken in with them, or if you have some ground beef, some
Mhm.
vegetable saute. That's what these are for. Got samples too. You guys want to try some? Listen to the butter chicken sauce.
Okay.
So give it one a try.
Can you hold this for me, please, Mary?
Oh yeah, this is how the jar looks like, by the way, right over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the jar, 500 milliliters of sauce, so a lot to work with your chicken or whatever.
And what's this one called?
This one is the malai sauce.
Malai
So
sauce.
there's some roasted garlic in here, some caramelized onions. You got some cream.
Mm.
This looks like the butter chicken.
This is your bestseller,
Bestseller,
right here?
bestseller,
Oh
bestseller.
man, it's
My
good.
mom makes all them, by the way, guys.
Want to try it? You want to try it, Maria?
Thank you. I already tried it.
You tried it? You didn't like it?
They've been here a while.
This is good.
You like spice, sir? You like
Yeah, I
spice?
do.
Yeah. We have a spicier sauce as well.
Mm-hmm.
Birch masala, if you want to give this one a try too.
You can want you to try butter chicken
Oh yeah.
because remember when we went to the poutine place, they had something of a butter chicken. So
Mm-hmm.
Like a butter chicken poutine.
I don't know what it was, but
This isn't bad.
That one I gave you, that's my favorite.
Okay.
Habanero peppers in there, right? So it's gonna have a nice kick at the end.
Okay.
So I like my spice.
This is
the
the
butter
butter
chicken, though.
chicken.
This is,
Oh, okay.
This one's gonna be a lot more sweeter, more tomato based.
this looks like butter chicken.
So this is the hot pepper sauce I'm trying right here.
Yeah. Hot pepper sauce. You have habanero peppers in there, some pimento peppers, you know, it's all good stuff. Lemon, lime, scotch bonnet. Give it a little.
In
taste
Jamaica,
test.
this tastes like escovitch, you know? Like pepper and vinegar, you know? This is good.
How are you, sir? You okay? Would you like to try some?
Not right now, no. I want to blow my guts out.
Oh.
I blew them out last night. An Indian food.
Oh, really, eh?
That was good.
This is my favorite out of
Yeah,
all of
eh?
them.
Which one is that?
This one,
This
the first one.
Yeah, the malai sauce? Oh, yeah, man.
Let me
Yeah,
try
that's
that.
really
Can
good.
I
Yeah,
have
of
a
course.
plate of bread? I'll take it.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Of course, yeah. Try that one. That one's super good. The
Tell me
malai
what it
sauce is
tastes.
great.
You like that one?
Are you guys doing a little vlog? Is that
Yeah, yeah.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, we also have it.
Subscribe, guys. Make sure you
Alright, so my name is Neutral Vibes on YouTube.
Neutral Vibes on
So it's
YouTube. Hit the like button. I
Alright.
want you guys to comment what content you guys want from my man's right here.
Alright.
He's out here, guys. He's out here. So
Alright. Do you have a page as well?
We do. BasoliSauces.com if you guys want to check us out.
Okay, most definitely.
You can hit us up. We have a website. We have some nice cooking sauces here. They're organic too. So, oh yeah. But definitely subscribe to my boy.
Alright, respect, man. Carrots.
You know what this is?
Radish. Hey, we're good. These are the same tomatoes that you plant?
That I have in the backyard. These ones right.
Okay.
So, and these are
And the
these are
cucumbers.
the pickled cucumbers.
Okay.
So you can pickle them.
Okay.
So this is a gray oyster here. Has a
Okay.
seafood nutty flavor.
Okay.
So this one here is reishi. It's a medicinal mushroom used for stress, anxiety, and immune health.
Oh.
Sleep and relaxation. So this here you would dehydrate it, you would turn it into a powder and then make a tea out of it.
Okay.
Or you can do tinctures as well.
Okay.
So these are mushroom grow blocks. This is the main way that I produce my fresh mushrooms. You
Okay.
guys can grow them at home. All you do.
How's in there?
So this one here is yellow oyster. So I'll go through the booklet and show you which ones I have available.
Okay.
But basically all you do is just cut these black lines.
Uh-huh.
Comes with a little spray bottle here. You're gonna fill with water. 2
Mhm.
3 sprays twice a day. So
Mhm.
basically, as you cut into it, you open it up to fresh air.
Okay.
As you spray with the water bottle, you're introducing a humidity zone. Which are two things that mushrooms need.
Right.
Airflow and humidity.
And what's like the health purposes?
So just mainly most of them is just nutritional value.
All right. Thanks, man. All right.
So here are our different types of some of our apples.
Okay.
So the ambrosia, the Fiji, the royal gala.
Okay.
This oh,
What's that? Cabbage?
it's a cabbage.
Looks different.
So
It's a different type of cabbage.
I've never seen this cabbage.
Oh, the Napa cabbage.
Napa?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You sure?
To make kimchi.
Oh.
Does it taste like lettuce?
No, it tastes like cabbage.
Okay, it looks like lettuce.
Is,
That's like karabi. It tastes like broccoli.
Okay.
looks like, yeah, it's kohlrabi.
Okay.
So this is the garlic.
Oh, okay.
The garlic from the
Mm-hmm.
squash.
Fun?
Yeah,
Yep,
but a lot of people
yep.
don't necessarily like it because it's bitter. But like
Oh, it's bitter.
It's
it's
not.
not using grated with a very fine cheese grater and put it like over top of salads and stuff. And, you know,
Okay.
It has a slight bitter taste, but I don't mind it. Like I love it.
I use
What are the health benefits?
health benefits.
You don't know of any?
It's kind of like a kale. It's like
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I usually mix these
it has
two.
like an added top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even this, like the leaves of this is really good.
How is it? Is it good? Sweet beans. All right.
So,
Oh, these are the same. Oops. These are yours? Okay. raspberries,
Oh, those
grapes.
strawberries smells
Huh?
good.
Oh, the
Those strawberries
strawberries.
smell really good.
These are some really beautiful sweet peppers.
I know. They're pretty like a money.
These long peppers, what are they?
These are sweet peppers too.
These are sweet peppers?
These are not the shepherd's one.
They're sweet shepherds, yeah.
Okay.
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 Is it similar to this?
Sweeter.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're,
I tried those small ones, you know.
these are they're flavorful. I usually roast them.
Roast them?
Yeah, and put it in like pasta.
Okay. Man, I'm good. I do like it.
Excellent.
Can you give me something a bit Jamaican? Is it possible? Bob Marley.
I got a Bob Marley tip, but I don't have the music though.
Okay. Alright, anything would be good, you know?
I got a good one coming up.
Okay.
Sometimes the morning coffee's way too strong. Sometimes what she says all wrong.
That was just a sneak peek into what happens at a Canadian farmers market. The experience
not
was
as big as
so
Coronation Market.
lovely. Yeah, not as big as Coronation
No.
Market, but definitely a lovely
They're
experience.
Canadian. Or
The Canadian version of the Coronation Market in Jamaica. Yes, I hope you like this content.
without what is it? Underwear?
With
Big
a-
underwear, small underwear. Guys to the market.
Alright, thanks for watching Neutral Vibes. Bye!